The self-proclaimed leader of the Islamic world, Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan told Russian President Vladimir Putin that Israel needs a lesson. The so-called God of Islamic world generally goes solely to punish militarily weak countries like Armenia, Libya or Syria. But when case belongs to Israel, it seems that his courage comes to end. Against Israel, Erdogan is calling the international community to give Israel a strong and deterrent lesson against its conduct toward the Palestinians. Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan has told Russian President Vladimir Putin that the international community should give Israel a strong and deterrent lesson against its conduct toward the Palestinians. That's according to the Turkish Presidential Communications Directorate, which said the two leaders talked by phone Wednesday about the escalating confrontation sparked by tension over contested Jerusalem. The statement said Erdogan stressed the need for the international community to give Israel a strong and deterrent lesson and pressed for the United Nations Security Council to rapidly intervene with determined and clear messages to Israel. The statement said Erdogan suggested to Putin that an international protection force to shield the Palestinians should be considered. Meanwhile, thousands of people in Istanbul defied a nationwide coronavirus curfew late Tuesday to demonstrate against Israel's attacks. A large convoy of cars drove toward the Israeli consulate, waving Turkish and Palestinian flags. An image of the Palestinian and Turkish flags was projected onto the Israeli building. I think Turkey, Pakistan or Iran, no Islamic country will dare to go militarily against Israel, and rest of the world keeps less interest in this matter. Thank you everyone for watching this video.